Hello, I'm Anuradha Varal, Assistant Professor in Computer Department at AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. I will introduce about the basic concept in hashing, the subject of data structure and algorithms. So what is meant by hashing? Hashing is the process of indexing and retrieving elements in a data structure to provide a faster way of finding the element using the hash key. Hash table. Hash table is an array which map a key into the data structure with the help of hash function such that insertion, deletion and search operations can be performed with constant time complexity. That is, hash table in a data structure used for sorting and retrieving data quickly. So every entry in the hash table is made using hash function. Next, applications of hash function. So the hash table using the database system, symbol tables, data dictionaries, network processing algorithm. So these all are the applications of hash table where the hash table is used. Bucket. So bucket means the hash table store the entries. So entries in the form of key value pair. So all the bucket contains the key value entries. Collision. When two or more data elements in the data set maps to the same location in the hash table is called hash function. So same element which is mapped into the same location, same bucket in the hash table, then there is the collision occurred. The next, hash function. A hash function is any function that can be used to map a data set of an arbitrary size to a data set of a fixed size which falls into the hash table. Means hash function is a function used to place data in a hash table. Similarly, hash function is used to retrieve a data from hash table, and thus the use of the hash function is to implement using the hash table. Then properties of good hash function. It is easy to compute, then uniform distribution, less collisions, be easy and quick to compute, use all the information provided in the key. So the rules for the choosing the good hash function, that is hash function should be simple to compute. The number of collisions should be less while placing the record in the hash table. Ideally, no collision should occur. Such a function is called perfect hash function. So the hash function should procedure such keys which will get distributed uniformly over an array. So these are the properties of the good hash function. The next concept, overflow. An overflow occurs when home bucket for a new pair, that is key element, is full. So we may handle the overflow by using search the hash table in some systematic fashion for a bucket that is not full. The next, linear probing with the help of quadratic probing with the help of random probing. So these are the techniques to compute the overflow in a hash table. And next one is load density. That is the loading density or the loading factor of a hash table is A equal to N by SB. So N is the number of element and the S is the number of slot of the hash table and B is the number of bucket. So for finding the load density of hash table, A equal to N upon S into B. Then last concept of hash table is full table. A full table in which all the locations are filled with the values. So in a hash table all the locations are filled with the values and no any location is remain empty is known as the full table. So these all are the basic concept of hashing. Thank you.